Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Fact Fusion. If you want to create a logo within a second and in a simple way, so you are on the right place. In this video, I am going to show you how we can create the logo in a very simple way, and we will use the ideogram. Previously, I was using the mid journey, but it was really hectic, and sometimes if I want to create the logo with the text, so text sometimes is coming not proper on the picture, and sometimes it is going to be up or here and there, and even that the meaning of the text was not properly defined. So the meaning of the picture, it was completely changed. So no, I must say that this ideogram, as you can see on my page, it is a really very easy way. I will show you how we can create the text and how we can create a logo in the very simple steps. Okay, so let's explore. So you can see so many people have already created the pictures, and we can also use this picture. I will show you also how we can use this picture as well. So okay, this if you will drag down, or there would be people have also created the logos, and that can also be used. For example, now I want to create a the picture with the text. So I will, let's suppose I will write a be happy as my text on the picture, and let's suppose I will put also the uh, desert. I want that picture would be that the text would be written on the desert with the sunlight. So after writing this, I need to select the typography. So then these are the size also, so I can create and I can choose any size. Let's see, I will go with the same size and generate the button, and you will see within a second you will find out the picture that you really want. So we will wait now. So you can see this is a really amazing, and you can see that the text is properly defined on the picture. It is not like the some letters here and there like a mid journey. So this is really very amazing, and we have option also, we can remix any of the picture with the further features. You can see here we have a features like photos, poster, 3D renders, cinematics. So any feature that you want to mix with this our parent picture, so you can select from here, and then you can regenerate. So once I because I selected these features again, and see that after selecting this, mm, we will wait for the result. So this is really nice. So you can see that if I will put the 3D render, so the text is like a 3D written on the text. There is a desert also as per mention over prompt. So this is really amazing. So one more thing I really want to tell you, this ideogram you can do the create the picture with a number of times, and without any subscription. But in the mid journey we need to be get a subscription also, or maybe maximum with 20 picture we can do at one time, and after that we must have to go with the subscription. So but ideogram you will not find this issue. So this was the overall, and I would like to explain also the other things. Yeah. So the more and more you can try different features. We have here so many features also. See that this picture uh, have proper tags. People have already created, people are really very creative, and we can use their creativeness according to our tags also. So so right now I have created like be happy in this 3D render, cinematic, and the other features. So but if let's suppose if I want to do the same tags, or I want to the new tags on the on the previously created pictures, the picture that has been created already by any user. So if I want to use that picture or any other picture to write same text on it, so how we can do. So I want to teach you also that how we can, like for example this one is looking very nice with the flowers and proper text also, like it's look like a logo. So if I want to create this, I have to copy paste of this prompt and just to paste on the bar and need to mention what I really want to do the text on that. Like my text is be happy, so I write here be happy, and then I'm going to generate. So I want the same text be happy and have a flower on the picture, same like I choose from that picture. Okay, let's wait. Sometimes it is taking a little time because so many people are creating, but it's not even too much, it's less than 1 minute also. So oh wow, is it really, you can see that it is really amazing with the flowers and same like the picture we have selected, and that any of the user had already created, we chosen that picture and we put our tags on over it, and after the result you can see it is amazing. So similarly, as people are also creating the logos. So let's suppose I want to create a logo. So I will write here create a logo, and I will mention smile please. This is I want that this statement should be mentioned into the logo, and right now is coming in my mind that mango. I will write something like this, mango juice. So I want a picture that mango would be smile something with the title should be mentioned as a smile please. So I will go with that same functions, otherwise I can change the features from here. So let's suppose generate, and we'll see what the result will come out. Okay, so it is showing that I have to wait 120 seconds. So because I'm generating the pictures again and again, but if you will find such error, not even error, if you find such a issue, so you can refresh the page and you can regenerate. So you can see, so many people have created the very amazing logo that you can also use. You just need to copy paste what they have created and you can use as per your text also. So even that you can make this text on the t-shirt design, or in the cartoon character you can write something else. So as previously I was trying, I refreshed my page and I was trying to create a logo with a smile please on the mango juice, fresh mango juice I will write here. So if I want to create logo on this, I will select on the typography because I want to type smile please, then 3D render, and I will choose some feature from here like a cinematic and painting, and I will generate, and then you will see this time what how the logo will come. Actually I'm very excited to see that which type of logo will come. It's look like something is coming amazing. Let's see the final result. Oh amazing, the second one is really that really I want that the mango would be smile face and have like illustrations. So if I want to choose a logo from here, I really want to go with this second one. So similarly you can create a logo in the very simple way, and you just need to mention what you really want, and you need to choose the typography, and you can create the logo. Otherwise you can take from the these so many pictures are already showing, like I will choose from here the Cosmo. It is a vector someone has created at a Cosmo clinic. So if I want to go with this one, so I just need to change the text that I really want to mention on the picture. So let's suppose I will mention here smile please. I will mention the same word, So I will generate, and I want that some logo have a lip smiling and something. So let's see what the result will show. The last one is really amazing, have lips also, and it's showing as a smile. So this is the purpose to show you better if you want to create a logo or text on the picture, and you want to design any t-shirt, and you want to create a cartoon with the what you call story, or you want to play with the text. This is also really amazing logo which is very attractive also. So you can get so many ideas from the already created the logos by the users, and you can follow the user as well, and you can see there is a tabs on this. Once you will create the your ideogram account, it is really very easy. You just need to go to this page ideogram.ai, and you need to create the login with your email address. And once you will create, then after that you are able to just in the quick way you can create the picture so many and unlimited times. So you can see here recent trending following tab also, and the home and home page, and also your account also. So under your account, if you want to see, so you can see that the picture under your account. So this was the overall from my side. If you really like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon button. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.